Your phone is ready, sir. This repair is free for you.
Oh,
Yeah.
you fixed it. Cool.
That's cool.
Yeah,
Very cool.
It's very
he's the
cool.
best. Bring your phone today.
Let people to judge that. You didn't just click it, right?
No, I did not. I
No?
was subscribed for
Let me
like a
see.
long time.
You are. How long you been watching it?
Like a year.
What do you say people who don't subscribe?
Subscribe
Subscribe.
now.
Subscribe now.
He's a good repair guy. Subscribe now.
Did it cost you any money?
What?
Did it cost you when you subscribe it? Did you pay any money for it?
No,
No, right? It's free.
free. No
Yeah.
money.
Yeah.
All you gotta do, just say subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Show them what to
It's
subscribe.
free. It's
They
free.
missing out a lot, right? They missing out a lot.
Yeah. You're missing out a lot. Like
All the good repairs and
all the
everything.
good repairs. Cause Apple.
Yeah. So
Garbage.
since you subscribe, I'm gonna give you discount.
Okay. Excellent. Look at
That's
this.
good?
Yes,
Yeah.
excellent.
All right.
We're the 1,000,001 subscribers. 1,000,001.
What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
So I broke it on purpose just to see the legend.
Who is the legend?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
That's why you broke it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Can you fix it?
Don't worry. I got you.
Do you have a bathroom?
I have to fix you with your fingers.
Surgery time. Your phone is ready, sir.
All right, you fixed
Now
it.
it's good to go.
You fixed it.
Wait, you said who is your favorite YouTuber?
You.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm your number one.
Yes.
Who is number two?
Mrbeast.
Who is number three?
Fulton.
Fulton.
Yeah.
Since you subscribe me and I'm your number one.
Subscribe.
No,
Tell me.
wait. This repair is free for you.
Oh,
Yeah.
you fixed it. Cool.
That's cool.
Yeah,
Very cool.
That's very
he's the
cool.
best. Bring your phones.
Yeah.
But it won't change, right? I'm always gonna be your number one, right?
Number one, right?
Okay.
Yeah, show number
Never.
one.
Where's my man? Cool?
You stop.
Yeah, you're good.
Let me give you something, please. I can't
okay.
take it for free.
It's okay.
I can't.
For
The
him.
screen costs money. Everything costs money.
It's okay, no problem, man. Not a big deal. For Nico, we do it.
Can I give you something, please? I feel terrible inside.
You don't know. Why you feel terrible? It's fine. It's no worries.
Phone call. The screen costs money.
Nico maybe will bring one day treat for us. Cool?
So we're not on the phone.
Huh?
We're not recording.
No,
right?
no, I'm not fine.
I'm sorry. What's your name?
Ozzy.
Ozzy.
He was gonna pay with his money, right?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You saved.
So Ozzy at Money Talks Wireless, because he made a video and told the guy he's his number one fan, he fixed the phone for free. I'm not joking. I had to call you and tell you. I'm not lying. I'm not lying. He loves it and he's gonna post the video online. Can you believe that? We owe him many thanks. When something breaks, we're gonna bring our stuff here for 100%. We appreciate it very, very much. I'm telling you,
Of course.
appreciate it very, very
No
much.
problem,
He's so
man.
happy that he's on the
Yeah.
video. Yeah, so that's great. That's great.
Your videos get like
Yeah. How long you been saving your money?
I mean, send him.
Yeah, for a while.
From Christmas?
Yeah, at least.
There you go. That's my Christmas
holidays.
gift for him.
Longer than that.
Yeah.
See, he saved you your allowance.
Yeah.
You gotta thank him.
Thanks.
No, it's okay. No, thank you.
So
Thank you for
you're
being.
not recording.
No, I'm not.
Yeah. Just not for nothing, but you know.
But if I do, what's wrong?
Yeah,
You
no,
don't say,
nothing's wrong. Nothing's
you
wrong.
don't say anything wrong.
Because I don't know if you're gonna edit it because we're talking, and
That's fine. No worries.
I know your videos are edited somehow. You edit them.
Yeah, I do.
You taught yourself how to do that.
Yeah.
That's great, man. You got 1 million subscribers.
How much we have, Nico?
It says 1 million subscribers.
You have like around,
That's crazy.
Almost. How much?
yeah, you have like 7.81 million subscribers.
Wow.
How much?
7.81 million subscribers.
781,000.
No, 7.8.
7 million.
7 no.
700 million subscribers.
7.8 million.
Holy subscribers!
Yeah.
You do?
I do. I do. Yes.
Man, your store should be half a city block.
It's good. It's good here.
I
I'm
hope
happy.
you really get the diamond plaque.
I hope so too. So if they subscribe, so we can get it. So when you see the video, if you share it, if you comment
I'm
it,
sharing it with my friends.
you do, right?
Yeah.
So if everybody watches when they subscribe, so
That's how they count.
that's just as count as a one person, and you're not paying anything. It's just free.
But they pay.
You get paid through YouTube, yeah.
Through
But
YouTube.
it's
You have to have.
this is different. This is like just to subscribe. Like,
Yeah, but to watch it, you have to have a lot of subscribers to get.
For the monetize, you don't need. You can have 1 million subscribers. You can be broke. You don't like subscribers doesn't mean that it gives you money. The views and everything.
Views does it, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, but you got 7 million people. A lot of people watching your videos.
Yeah, 7.81. Yeah, I guess they do. Yeah, they do. They like it. They're grateful for it.
We're very grateful.
Of
You
course,
didn't
yeah.
have to do that.
Yeah.
We were not expecting this.
I know it's okay.
That's cool.
He's so cool. That's why.
He's so happy.
Yeah, he is.
He's gonna be talking about this when he goes back to school.
Yeah. But,
Thanks.
give him a high five.
All right.
Nico, nice to meet you. You are best.
Thank you.
But do me a favor. Give us a nice review.
We will on the computer when we go
On
back,
Google,
right?
yes.
And when I have something, I'll bring it to you and
Anytime.
whatever it costs.
Yeah, no worries.
Okay? Appreciate
worries.
it. Thank you.
But-
that was completely uncalled
Yeah.
for, but thank you.
But guess
Wow,
what?
I'm
I
very surprised.
was recording this too, just letting you know.
So how many hours does it take to like